Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 15th of August, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 3.42. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 1.47%. This reflects an average return of 0.16% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the midst of a robust and upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. Analyzing the recent 3-month trend, there is a forecasted change of approximately 12.72% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 5.73% to 22.67%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of about 19.59% over the next year, with possible returns fluctuating between negative 6.17% and 25.61%. In terms of price, this could equate to a range between $213.95 and $286.42 after a year. Our latest daily update for Apple features the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for Apple. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, Apple stock price increased by approximately 0.374%, climbing from $227.18 to $228.03. This marks the third consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 1.76%, with a low of $224.89 and a high of $228.85. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 3.06% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 33 million shares exchanged hands for approximately $7.57 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $237.23, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 3.88%, or $9.20, below the 52-week high of $237.23, which also stands as the all-time high for the stock. Apple Inc. is making headlines following its announcement of a chief financial officer transition that has analysts, including Jim Cramer, describing it as a seamless shift. Effective in January 2025, Kevin Parek will take the helm from Luca Maestri, who has effectively managed Apple's significant cash reserves during his tenure. This change comes at a critical time as the company prepares to launch the anticipated iPhone 16, which many believe could drive a new growth era for Apple. In addition, a recent partnership with India's Bharti Airtel aims to enhance Apple Music and Apple TV Plus offerings, expanding their footprint in the Indian market. With global demand shifting, these developments not only bolster investor sentiment, but could also mitigate concerns stemming from tepid sales reports and economic pressures. As Apple approaches its September press event, the transition in leadership and product innovations may act as catalysts for stock price movement. In the short term, smoother management dynamics might encourage confidence among investors, potentially pushing the stock higher as anticipation builds around new product launches. Long term, the ability of Kevin Parekh to navigate financial strategy amid evolving market demands will be crucial in maintaining Apple's growth trajectory and enhancing investor relations. Overall, while market conditions remain challenging, the leadership change paired with new product offerings presents a promising outlook for Apple in the coming months. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 27th of August, 2024, it was reported that CFRA assigned Apple Inc. a buy grade while maintaining a hold action. On the same day, Wedbush rated Apple Inc. as outperform with a hold action. Additionally, Evercore ISI also rated Apple Inc. as outperform, coupled with a hold action. Morgan Stanley assigned an overweight grade to Apple Inc. while keeping a hold action on the same day. Lastly, Piper Sandler gave Apple Inc. a neutral rating, along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock an overall neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is evaluated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio also receives a rating of strong sell. In terms of return on investment, analysts categorize the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. Apple stock is currently showing buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support is expected at $226.48 and $222.59. A decline below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been detected, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, the 16th of July, 2024. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 31 days ago. Bollinger produced a buy signal 16 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average presented a buy signal 12 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 7 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average revealed a buy signal 12 days ago. The long-term moving average demonstrated a buy signal 81 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 69 days ago. To discover more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $213.07 and $207.49. There is an inherent risk when a stock is approaching a support level, as breaching this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Apple has support just below today's level at $213.07. If this level is surpassed, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $207.49 and $207.15. This stock typically experiences average movements throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $3.96 between its high and low, which amounts to 1.76%. In the previous week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 1.64%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Apple, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This represents a relatively typical PE ratio, frequently observed in companies with established histories or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 7th of November, 2024. Analysts have a consensus estimate set at $1.59. It is vital to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $228.88. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $213.07. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 15th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo carried out an insider sale of 8,706 shares of common stock. On the 9th of August, 2024, Chris Kondo also conducted an insider sale of 5,178 shares of common stock. On the 5th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams executed an insider sale of 97,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Catherine L. Adams sold an additional 2,400 shares of common stock. On the 7th of August, 2024, Catherine L. Adams conducted another insider sale of 4,500 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 33.717. Overall, insiders purchased 1,401,454 shares and sold 2,716,460 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.40, reflecting a decrease of 5%. The calculation could not be performed. Is Apple stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside an overall positive trend, suggest that this may be an opportune time to consider purchasing, as there is a reasonable possibility for Apple stock to perform well in the near future. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of August, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by 77.5 cents, beginning trading at $227.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.